Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we'll explain online cable operator management project. So it's a ASP.NET C# backend SQL Server web application project. This project basically for cable operator who are running in the cable operations. We already know there's a cable operator. So you'll give the connection to many customers. So these are the customers. So each customer has to make the payment to the cable operator. In turn, there is a problem with the customer. They can register the complaint with the employees. So here is the employee. So the employees will resolve the problems of the customer. So here are the customers. So this side we have an admin. So therefore, this project will have three modules. One is admin module, employee module, and customer module. So customer has to make the payment every month online. And if they have a problem, they can register the problem. The employees will resolve the problem. As the admin is concerned, admin can able to view all the payments. So this is the main logic of the project. So software requirement for this project. So front-end design using HTML. By language we are using C#. Backend is Microsoft SQL Server. Project design. So it's have three modules. One is the admin module, employee module, and customer module. So in case of admin module, as discussed already, so where admin can create a customers, he can view the payments, and you can also see the complaints. Employee module has to resolve the complaints. Customer module, customer can log in, they can make the payment, they can view the payments, what are the payments they done, they can raise the complaint, and they can see the result of the complaint. Database tables, so which are the tables we are using in this project. So we are using around 10 to 11 tables here. So one is admin login table, area table, category main table, complaint table, employee detail table, inquiry table, FAQ category table, FAQ table, news table, transaction table, user table. So these are the tables which are using in this project. So naturally for each table there is a corresponding form via we can enter the data. The data whatever entered it comes to these tables. So please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now let's see that how this project works exactly. So in order to work with this project, so we need to start Visual Web Developer. We require a software Visual Web Developer or Visual Studio. I'll show you both. First I'll show the project in Visual Web Developer. So this is a Visual Web Developer 2010 Express Edition. So double click on this. Right, so now go to file menu, open website. So cable operator. Now you can see that the project is loaded and here is a solution explorer window. So here is the files. These are .axpx files along with the C# file. axpx.cs is a C# file where coding is available. So if you go to database explorer, if you expand the cable database, you go to tables, you can able to see all the tables, one we discussed already. Right. So now what we'll do is we'll run the project. So in order to run the project, so select run button or you can click F5 or you can click on this triangle mark. Now the project is running in the browser. Fine. So this is the main page. So you can redesign the page as per your wish. So here we make a simple page and this is a basic system. Right. Now here we provide a button to next. So click on next. So it'll take me to the main next page. So in this we have admin login, employee login and the new user sign up. So I go to admin login. So let me log in as admin. So here is admin login. So it will take me to the admin main page. So here are the options which are provided in the admin. Payment list. So you show the payments who are all make the payment. So area names. So which are the areas we are providing the service? That is the area names. So we can enter all the areas one by one. So now I'll take it as a Kuvempu Nagar. So this is about Kuvempu Nagar, in which what are the areas are covered under Kuvempu Nagar. So you need to write first, second, third main. Fine. Now go to customer details. So here is the area name, Kuvempu Nagar. Right. Now write the customer name. Who is the customer? Let's say Chandan. Address. You can complete the address. Here is a mobile number, email ID. So area, the area which is already entered will come over here. So we need to select one from the list. User ID. So what ID you would like to give for this particular user? So we give it as A2. Password, let it be A2. So record created successfully. We created the customer. Next, FAQ. FAQ is a frequently asked questions. So we have category, general category. So what are the common questions they ask? So what is monthly fee? Cable charges. It will cost you rupees 250. So what are the price? You can enter it here. So the for customer can see these informations. So next is the employee details. We can enter the employee details over here. So news, any news things will come up. You can enter the news over here. So this was the one part, the admin part. Now we'll move to the customer part. Copy the main address. So open one more tab. Paste the address. So we'll come back to main page again. Now we log in as a customer. You can sign up as a new customer. So I'll log in as A1. Fine. So it logs in. So monthly bill. So you can change the date here. So how do you pay? Credit card or debit card? So what is the card number? Your card number is a dummy payment way. So 250 rupees you have to make the payment. So here is hard coded. The dates are hard coded. So we need to change them. So in order to change this, so probably you need to go to this particular page, that is a customer pay money. So just go back to customer pay money. Customer pay money. So here we will have the list. So let me change to 20. So we can continue the rest of the dates, the rest of the months actually. So if you come back and if you refresh this, fine, now it's 1, 2, right. So here is the card number 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a dummy payment. So submit this. So it's indicate that this customer make the payment. Now if you go to admin and you say monthly payments, the new payment will appear here. Fine. So this is about the payment. So paid list, when are you paid the money? So that list will come here. That will be filtered according to the customer. So FAQ list, what are the common FAQs? We already written there. So that will appear over here. Then company news. If the company announce some news and all, they can able to view it here. Raise complaint. So if you have some problem with your connection, we can raise the complaint. So let's say TV signals not coming. So we have problem with connection. Right, so this is the complaint we want to raise. So after raising the complaint, so employee has to attend. Therefore we copy this main address and then paste it, and then it will take to the main page again. So now we log in as a employee. So E1 ABCD. So log in here. So here is a complaint list. So you can see that a new complaint arrived here. So select this complaint. So read all the details and now respond to them. Okay. So respond that okay, the connection problem is solved. So update. Fine. From the employee side, that is updated. Now if you come to the complaint answers from the customer side, you can see that TV signal not coming. We have problem with connection. The connection problem is solved. So therefore they can able to see the answers here. So therefore there's a communication between employee to customer and customer to admin. So admin can able to view the payment list. So these are the three modules which are provided in this project. Hope you can try this. So in case if you want this project, you can write to us. We can get you this project. So you can communicate with us this email ID or WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe to our channel. Therefore you can watch more videos from this channel. We soon start with tutorials to learn the C#. Therefore you can learn C# and you can write your own programs.